In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find product ID on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin account. Make sure you use the account with the right permissions so you can access the products area. Once you're logged in, move to the left-hand navigation and click on Products. This opens the product list where all of your items are displayed. Locate the product you want to identify and click its title to open the product detail page. When the product detail page is displayed, take a look at your browser's address bar. The product ID is embedded in that URL as a sequence of numbers after the segment that reads /products. In many admin URLs, you'll see the product handle followed by a slash and then the numeric ID, or you may find the ID directly following /products as the final part of the path. To capture the ID, select the number that appears after products in the URL and copy it. If the URL contains any extra query parameters or text after the number, be careful to copy only the numeric sequence that represents the ID. This numeric value is the unique identifier Shopify uses to reference that product in API calls, scripts, and advanced settings, so it's important to copy it accurately. A couple of quick tips to avoid confusion. Always use the admin product page rather than the storefront page when looking for the product ID, because the public storefront URL is based on the product handle and usually does not display the internal numeric ID. If you notice the URL shows additional characters or parameters, you can paste the full URL into a plain text editor and isolate the digits after products before copying them to your clipboard. When working with multiple products, consider pasting each ID into a spreadsheet for easy organization. If you plan to use the product ID in apps, custom code, or integrations, double-check that you copied the entire numeric string and that there are no leftover slashes or characters. Keeping a small note of the product handle alongside the ID can also help you match items quickly later. That's all it takes to find a product ID on Shopify. Log in, open products, select the product, inspect the URL, and copy the numeric ID. With the product ID in hand, you'll be ready to proceed with integrations, troubleshooting, or any customizations that require Shopify's internal identifiers.